Hey Praise Pandas, I'm Jackie J.
And I'm Lily Rose. Welcome to our spring break episode.
First up, we have Lance Stewart and Julia Joy to tell us about the recent BMX Assembly.
Hey Praise Pandas, I'm Lance Stewart. On April 4th, 4th, 5th, and 6th graders were lucky to be part of a BMX assembly. This assembly was brought to you by TUPE, Tobacco Use Prevention and Education. They came to our school to try to show us to never give up and stay active and not ruin our lives by doing drugs. The BMX show was fascinating. They did so many incredible tricks. I was definitely inspired.
Thanks, guys. Those athletes had some great advice.
Next, we have Julia Joy and Jenny Jones with the Aristocats musical performance.
Hey there, Prize Pandas, Jenny Jones here. What do you guys think of the Aristocat performance? On April 3rd through 5th, students kinder through 6th grade got to watch the musical. The musical was about two groups of cats. One group, the Aristocats, are wealthy and they need help from the alley cats who are tough and scruffy. In the end, all the animals worked together and realized they had more in common than they had thought. It was a great performance. I can't wait to see what musical is picked for the next year. Back to you.
I really enjoyed the play. We have so many talented kids at Price.
I was part of the cast, and it was such a memorable experience. Now for a quick commercial break. OMG, it's yearbook time!
This is a must-have in our lives. It is going to be incredible.
And it's only $20 cash if you want to reserve one all for yourself.
But hurry, you can only order it until April 18th. But if you don't, you may not get one, and you may be sad.
Is it full color?
Of course.
Plus, the yearbook will be more than 100 pages long. So bring those forms ASAP.
I need to order my yearbook. I'm so glad for the reminder. Now I have Paul Park and Mia Marvelous interviewing teachers and kids on what they're doing on spring break.
Hi Price Pandas, my name is Paul Park.
And I'm Mia Marvelous.
Spring break is almost here.
Let's see what some students have planned for their spring break.
Here we have Pablo. So Pablo, what are you doing for spring break?
I might go to Universal Studios and spend time with my family and play a little bit of Fortnite.
That sounds great.
Here we have Riley and Bailey. So Riley and Bailey, what will you be doing for your spring break?
We're gonna go see our cousins in Nevada.
And we're gonna go to Great Wolf Lodge and go on the water slides and stay at the hotel. Wow, that sounds amazing.
We have kindergartner Tomas. So Tomas, are you doing anything special?
Yes. I'm gonna have a water party with my dad Candace and a slip and slide and win water balloons.
That sounds great.
I can't wait for Easter.
Me too. Did you know that it's been 15 weeks since our last vacation? We definitely need one.
Lastly, we have Jocelyn Jolie and Brittany Brunette to showcase our new student store.
Announcement, have you Price Panda seen our new student store?
Do you like Harry Potter's or maybe even pizza?
Well, if you do, you can express your love for all these things with our brand new Spirit Sticks.
They also sell things like Smensels and Snickers, like this fabulous strawberry one or this amazing jelly donut sticker.
Everything is $1.
Can you believe it? All these things will be sold on Wednesday morning recesses.
Lily, Jackie?
Thanks, ladies.
This will be our only episode for April.
But don't worry, we'll be back in May.
Don't forget that school resumes on Monday, April 29th. Have an awesome and safe spring break.
And as Ellen DeGeneres always says, be kind to one another.
Bye.